Countries Info channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Sri Lanka. If you are interested in getting these presentations, you can download this presentation from our Telegram channel, that is Countries Info 209. Here I have uploaded the presentations for various other countries also. Before beginning, I would like to mention that I have collected the information from various sources. These sources are generally reliable, but however, there might be some error in the sources itself. So if you think there is some error, please let me know in the comment section. So these are all the contents on which I'm going to discuss. We are going to discuss about general facts, history, governance, geography, demographics, economy, and foreign relations. First, let us look at the geographical position of Sri Lanka. This red colored region on the globe is Sri Lanka. It lies in the South Asia region, and all these countries, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Maldives, all these countries form the South Asia region. This is the national flag of Sri Lanka. These two strips represent the two ethnic minorities of Sri Lanka. The green one represents the Muslim minority, the orange one represents the Tamil minority. The lion and the maroon background represents the Simala ethnicity. The bow leaves represents the four Buddhist virtues. And also there are various other elements such as the sword handle, curly hairs on the head of lion, the beard. They also symbolize something which I haven't mentioned. This is the national emblem of Sri Lanka. Now let us look at the political map of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island country and thus it does not share any land borders with any other country. Sri Lanka shares maritime borders with two countries, and these are India and Maldives, which lies on the western side of Sri Lanka. Some of the major cities of Sri Lanka are Colombo, Kandy, Kale, Tirukonamalai, and Jaffna. So these are some of the major cities. Now let us have a look at some of the general facts about Sri Lanka. The official name of Sri Lanka is Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. Capital cities are Srivarddhanapuram Kotte and Colombo, and the largest city is Colombo. Official languages are Simala and Tamil. A person from Sri Lanka is called as Sri Lankan. The currency of Sri Lanka is Sri Lankan rupees. Let us look at the currency. So these are all the banknotes and coins which are frequently used, and they are valued as 20, 50, 100, 500, 1000 and 5000, and the coins are valued as 1, 2, 5 and 10 rupees. As of now, 1 Indian rupee is approximately equal to 2.5 Sri Lankan rupees. Population of Sri Lanka is around 21.4 million, which makes it the 58th most populous country in the world. And this population is comparable to that of Haryana, which is a state in India. Area-wise, it ranks 120th, and its area is comparable to that of Assam. Water percentage is around 4.4. Sri Lanka follows a time zone which is 5.5 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Human Development Index of Sri Lanka is 0.78, which is the highest in the South Asia region. Now let us briefly look at the history of Sri Lanka, and it consisted of pre-Anuradhapura period, Anuradhapura period, Polonnaruwa period, transition period, crisis of 16th century, Kandyan period, colonial Sri Lanka, which was part of the British Empire, and later comes the independent Sri Lanka, and Sri Lanka gained independence on 4th of February 1948. Now let us look at the governance. The executive part consists of President, Prime Minister, Cabinet of Ministers and civil servants. The legislative part consists of a unicameral parliament, that is a single parliament, and it consists of around 245 members, and their term is 5 years. The judicial part consists of various courts such as Supreme Court, High Court, subordinate courts, and etc. Sri Lanka is the oldest democracy in Asia, and it became democratic in June 1931. Sri Lanka is a unitary semi-presidential constitutional republic. President is the head of state and has a term of 5 years. Prime Minister is the head of government and has a term of 5 years. And Sri Lanka is a multi-party democracy. This is the parliament building of Sri Lanka. Now let us look at the administrative divisions of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka consists of 9 provinces or states, and these states are further divided into districts, and there are around 25 districts. In this map, we can see all the 9 provinces of Sri Lanka. This is the population density map of Sri Lanka, and as we can see in this map, the population is mostly concentrated on the western side of the country, and the northern side has a less population density compared to the other parts. Now let us look at the geography of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island country and it is surrounded by water bodies such as Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. The island consists mostly of flat to rolling coastal plains with mountains rising only in the south central part. So mostly it consists of flat terrain and mountains are only present in the south central part. Sri Lanka has around 103 rivers, and the longest river is Mahaveli River. This river lies over here, Mahaveli River. Sri Lanka has 45 estuaries and 40 lagoons, and the highest point is Pridutharagale, which is 2,524 meters above mean sea level. This is the climate map of Sri Lanka, and most of the region consists of tropical climate. Now let us look at the demographics of Sri Lanka. Firstly, let us look at the ethnic groups. There are two main ethnic groups, Simila and Tamil. Simila people contribute around 74% of the total population. Tamil are around 18% and rest others contribute around 8% of the total population. In this map, we can see the area-wise distribution of ethnicity, and in this map, we can see the area-wise distribution of language. Here we can see that the northern part consists of Tamil people and rest other part consists of Simila people. Now let us look at the religion of the people of Sri Lanka. Majority of the people follow Buddhism and they are around 75% of the total population. Then comes Hinduism, which is around 13% of the total population. Muslim around 9.7%, Christians around 8%. Now let us look at the food. Rice is the staple food of Sri Lankans. Rice and curry are the main meals. Curry mainly consists of meat, fish and vegetables. Roti, which is a thin flat bread made from wheat flour, is also consumed in Sri Lanka. Now let us look at the sports. Cricket is the most popular sport in Sri Lanka. Volleyball is the national sport of Sri Lanka. Also, there are two types of martial arts which are native to Sri Lanka and they are Chinnadi and Angampura. Now let us check some facts about the economy of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a developing and emerging economy and it is an upper middle income economy. Main economic sectors of Sri Lanka are tourism, tea export, textile, rice and other agriculture products. Travel and tourism contributes around 12.5% to Sri Lanka's GDP. Here we can see the contribution of various sectors to the GDP of Sri Lanka. Service sector contributes the most, then comes the industrial sector and later the agriculture sector. Here we can see the distribution of workforce. So majority of the people are employed in service sector around 47%, then in agriculture sector around 27%, and then in industrial sector around 26%. Here we can see the main import partners of Sri Lanka and they are India, China, Singapore, UAE and Japan. And these are the goods which are imported by Sri Lanka. Here we can see the major export partners of Sri Lanka and they are US, UK, India, Singapore, Germany and Italy. And these are the goods which are exported by Sri Lanka. Now let us discuss about the foreign relations of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka enjoys a unique and a strategic geographical location, which is the combination of three vital geopolitical dimensions. First is its contiguity to Indian subcontinent. Second is its equidistant position between East Asia and East Africa. And third is sea lanes linking East and West. Sri Lanka has strengthened its diplomatic, economic, and military ties with India, Bangladesh, Russia, United States, China, Pakistan, Japan, Malaysia, South Korea, and European Union. Sri Lanka is a member of United Nations, SAARC, Commonwealth, World Trade Organization, Non-Aligned Movement, IMF, World Bank, and etc. So these are all the sites from where I have collected the information. In the next video, I'm going to discuss about Bangladesh. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you gained some information by watching and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.